Bruiser. Yeah, it's a pool. That was funny. what, what was that? There was water in there. Bruiser and Honey Bear out in the dog yard. They've met all the dogs. First day out in the dog yard, though. They will be spending a lot more time out in this yard because the dogs are very protective over them, watch over them. Very important they get socialized with all the dogs. They will be their guardians. They will take care of the little bears. Oh. What do you think, Bruiser Bear? Those are some big cats, huh? Oh. Say I'm out. I don't know about some big tigers like that. You okay, Bruzy? Don't worry. We won't let the tigers get to you. Yeah, me and the dogs will protect you from the tigers. Yes, you're a good boy. It's one big family here. We socialize all the animals. Everyone grows up together. Hey, Bali, Amira, Nala, Mohan, Samson, Sita, Fury, Mayhem, Chaos, Bhutan, Leo, and the summertime. All right, folks. Good night.